एक ऐसी जर्नी जहां एक सिंपल रॉ वीडियो बदलकर बन जाता है इंटेलिजेंट, एक्सेसिबल और ग्लोबली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल कंटेंट। ये सिर्फ एक टूल नहीं है, ये एक कंप्लीट क्रिएट पाइपलाइन है। वीडियो प्रोसेसिंग से लेकर स्पीच अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ट्रांसलेशन और कैप्शन जनरेशन तक। इस डेमो के एंड तक आप देखेंगे कि कैसे एक रॉ वीडियो ट्रांसफॉर्म होकर एक ऐसी वीडियो बन जाता है जो दुनिया भर के ऑडियंस के लिए रेडी हो। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन डन। लेट्स टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड लुक एट व्हाट्स रियली हैपनिंग अंडर द हुड। This is the create pipeline. We begin with raw video input. Each frame is processed while audio is extracted in parallel. The audio is converted into text using AI and then translated into different languages. That text becomes structured captions. Alignment and everything comes together into a video that's ready for global distribution. Today, video content is generated faster than ever, but accessibility is still a major challenge. Most videos are locked in a single language, with no captions, no structure, and no global reach. Let me show you a better way. Just highlight the upload section. So the question is, how do we transform raw content into something globally accessible automatically? Manual video uploads create delays and bottlenecks. This affects productivity and revenue in today's fast-paced digital world. Or Stream automates streaming for seamless, real-time insights. Let's form your video routing. To solve this, we built the Create engine, an AI-powered pipeline that transforms raw video into structured, globally accessible content. We start with raw input, unprocessed video, just as it comes from the source. From here, the system begins a multi-stage transformation pipeline, driven by our Create engine. Once we trigger the Create pipeline, the system starts processing the video frame by frame. Each frame is analyzed, transformed, and prepared for downstream intelligence layers. At the same time, we extract and isolate the audio stream, which becomes the foundation for speech understanding. Processing is now complete. But processing alone isn't enough. The real value comes from understanding the content. This is where the system becomes intelligent. We extract the audio stream and run it through a speech-to-text model. Every spoken word is converted into structured text. This transforms unstructured media into something we can analyze, edit, and reuse. And importantly, this isn't static. The transcript is fully editable. Let's see this in action. A quick edit here, and our pipeline is ready. Once we have structured text, we unlock something powerful: the ability to make this content globally accessible. Once we understand the content, the next step is to make it accessible beyond its original language. This is where globalization begins. Click Translate. The text is now translated. We translate the transcript dynamically into multiple languages. This allows the same content to reach completely new audiences without changing the original video. And because the content is structured, this translation can be reused for subtitles, dubbing, and distribution. This enables global audiences without changing the original video. Now that we have translated content, the next step is to convert it into something video systems can use. Caption generation, or SEC creation, is the key. This makes our content accessible and ready. Now that we have translated content, we convert it into a format that video systems can understand. We generate captions in SEC format, which is widely used in broadcast and streaming pipelines. Let me show you. We can scroll through the text and point to timestamps. Each line is mapped with precise time codes, ensuring synchronization video playback. This structured format becomes the foundation for subtitles, accessibility, and downstream delivery. He understands real video systems. This is production-relevant knowledge. Not just AI, full pipeline is only part of the story. The real value comes when we bring them back into the video. Now that captions are generated, we bring them back into the playback experience. This gives us a preview layer, allowing us to validate how subtitles align with the content. Let's scroll through the caption overlay and point the cursor here to check the alignment. And importantly, this can be controlled dynamically, just like in modern streaming platforms. Users can choose to enable or disable subtitles, depending on preference and context. This is the final step in the create pipeline. We take the generated captions and permanently embed them into the video. Unlike preview mode, these subtitles are now part of the media itself, which means the content is ready for platforms that require hard-coded accessibility. From raw, unstructured content, we've created a fully processed, multilingual, caption-enabled video ready for global distribution. Welcome. Today, we're unveiling the Create engine. It transforms raw video into structured content, making it accessible and globally distributable. This is the Create engine transforming raw video.
चलिए एक छोटा सा POC कर लेते हैं। आइडिया क्लियर हो जाएगा। Let's pick up a clip from local machine. Cine News folder से एक clip ले लेते हैं। Okay, so the preview has been generated. It is being seen in UI. Good.
Seeing with strength, survival.
A man fights against injustice to protect his family. Sometimes you wear no capes.
Next, let's trigger the create button to start processing. Processing is going on by the OpenAI machine learning model. Done, so the clip has been processed successfully.
Seeing with strength, survival.
A man fights against injustice to protect his family. Sometimes you wear no capes.
So transcript is being seen as preview. We can see the languages chosen option is also there. Let's convert this transcript in Bengali. Nice. All right, so the conversion is done and is showing in UI. Generate caption is also there. Surprising. Let's proceed. Caption is being seen in UI too. Okay, so burning is the next feature. Let's trigger on this. So the expectation is caption will be embedded into the video. Here is the burn-in output of the selected clip. Let's see the embedded caption.
Seeing with strength, survival.
A man fights against injustice to protect his family. Sometimes you wear no capes.
Seeing with strength, survival.
A man fights against injustice to protect.
So, the AI-powered streaming engine POC is doing the same as it happens in real-world scenario. Think of it in a large scale with proper platform. Create engine will do the same. Excellent.
नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में सोचेंगे. दैट इज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. बाय फॉर नाउ. सी यू देयर.
थैंक यू इस सेशन का पार्ट बनने के लिए. मुझे होप है आपको ये जर्नी मीनिंगफुल लगी होगी.
हम और डीप डाइव करेंगे और एआई को और प्रैक्टिकल तरीके से समझेंगे. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. कीप लर्निंग, कीप बिल्डिंग. एआई से आइडिया स्टार्ट, जर्नी कंटिन्यूज. बाय फॉर नाउ. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन.